As the Health Ministry grapples with the dengue outbreak, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie says it's already looking ahead to the next season in which cases are expected to spike. The announcement comes on the heels of reports of over 174 suspected cases of dengue since the start of the year.
Eradicating mosquito breeding sites has become the Health Ministry's main focus in recent weeks. And with recent reports of a dengue outbreak, some Jamaicans have been doing their part. Reports are that 16 people have died from dengue since the outbreak of the mosquito-borne disease in Jamaica last year. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie says 5 of those people died this month.
As of the 17th, we have 16 suspected dengue-related deaths for the period January 2018 to January 17, 2019. Of those, 11 are from 2018 and 5 are year-to-date for 2019.
She says from January 1 to January 17 this year, there were 174 suspected cases. Dr. Bisesa McKenzie notes that the Health Ministry has extended opening hours at several health facilities to deal with the cases of dengue. The ministry is also looking ahead to next season in which cases are again expected to spike. The Caribbean Public Health Agency has called for health officials across the region to prepare for the possibility of a severe dengue outbreak. Dr. Bisesa McKenzie says the ministry will remain vigilant in relation to its vector control activities.
From last year to June, we have been consistent in our activities and we have had further enhancement since December, and we plan to continue at this rate until March, and certainly we will see what is happening and will respond appropriately based on the figures that we're seeing.
Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.